running 1-2, but in reverse order. It's Scott Dixon out in front as they head to turn number 7. Dixon has led every lap today. We've got a local waving in turn.
Not again.
Watch the leaders as they head to turn number 8 in Chickberry.
And remember, at Indianapolis, it was Dixon and Dario rotating leads on intervals. I don't think you're going to see that this time. Whoever holds on is going to keep it right there and not let the other one pass. It's Dixon, then Dario, then Simon Pagenaud. There's about a 2-car gap between Dario Franchitti and Simon Pagenaud.
Well, we got the 5-car, the Cisco car of E.J. Vizo. He is at a dead stop in turn number 4. He is right in the middle of the racing group. There's no way they're going to allow the cars to race